Welcome viewers, if still you're not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe and also click the bell icon to get technology updates regularly on this JP Infotech channel.
Hi, in this video we are going to see about a Java project which is entitled as Racism Detection by Analyzing Differential Opinions Through Sentiment Analysis of Tweets Using Stacked Ensemble GCR-NN model, which is an IEEE 2022 journal paper. So before seeing the execution of the project, let me brief you about this project. So we all know that racism is an unfair way of treating a people. So the social media is growing largely day by day, and also the users of social media is also increasing. When different kinds of users are using social media, surely few people may also treat this kind of racism. So in this paper, the authors have proposed the model for identifying the tweets that contains the racist text by performing the sentiment analysis of the twist. So you can see this in the abstract. This study aims at detecting tweets that contain racist text by performing the sentiment analysis of the tweets. And also the authors have used this gated convolutional recurrent neural networks GCR-NN, but we are not going to use the same as mentioned in the paper. So as our proposed model, we are going to implement NLP stands for algorithm or model. So here you can see the architecture of the proposed methodology where they have used crawler, but we are going to give the data set of the tweets, and the data processing has been done, and other than instead of this CGR-NN, we'll be using the Stanford NLP algorithm. And also here you can see the pre-processing example. So here you can see the tweet, for example, this at label racism is good is the text that is given before pre-processing, and after pre-processing you can see the text has been, the author name, the name of the person has been removed, and also the symbols has been removed, and only the racism good is being pre-processed. So in this way only we'll be implementing, and let me show you the data set. So here you can see this is the data set that we have used, so which consists around 1500 data set records, and you can see there is no any label in this. So only the tweets that is made is only been given here, the labels are not given. So we are going to create the label. So based on the sentiment analysis, it is going to detect whether the racist text is available or not. So we are going to do this in Java, and for that we have used Apache NetBeans IDE 16. So now let us see the execution of the project. So first open Apache NetBeans IDE 16 and then go to file menu and click open project. Now go to the project source code location. So inside the source code, you can see this racism detection by analyzing differential and the globe symbol, and click this open project. Now kindly wait till the complete project is loaded into the NetBeans IDE. It takes some time, and you can see the progress in the progress bar below. So meanwhile, let us attach the database. So now let me minimize this Apache NetBeans and let me go to the MySQL part to attach the database. So just open MySQL administrator. And now give the username and password as root and root, and now you can see this restore option. Just click this restore option and then click this open backup file. Now again go to the source code location, and you can see the database folder, and just select the database inside that and then click start restore. And now you can see the restore operation was finished successfully message, and click close. And now you can close this MySQL administrator part. Now coming back to the NetBeans IDE part, You can see it is still scanning, so kindly wait till the complete process is being completed. Meanwhile, let us start the Apache Tomcat. So just go to the services tab where you can see the servers in the third row, and just click this and you can see Apache Tomcat. So you can see this is not yet started, so first you need to start this Apache Tomcat to run the project. So just right click it and then click start, and you can see the loading thing. And if you are seeing the starting of Tomcat file, click OK, and again do the same process, click the start. Here you can see the small icon of loading is being done. Only if it is changed to the play symbol, you can know that Apache Tomcat has been started. So kindly wait for few seconds. And now you can see it asks for the authentication, and give the username and password which you have made during the installation, and then click OK. And now you can see the symbol is now changed to play button, which means that the Apache Tomcat server is being started. Now coming back to the projects tab, now it is the project is being loaded into the NetBeans, and if you are seeing this kind of error, this is due to the designing compatibility. So there is no any problem in running the project. So this is not in the error in the project code. So just right click it and then click the run, and now you can see the project is being loaded into the web part, and we have seen the home page of the project title, racism reduction by sentiment analysis. And now you can see the login page. So just enter the username and password as admin, and here should be caps, and the same the password is also, and also click the submit button. And now you can see the login is successful, and now it will be navigated to the home page of the racism detection, and where we have the options of upload dataset, data cleaning, pre-processing, racism detection, graph, and logout. So let us see one by one. So first we go to the upload dataset part. So first you need to upload the dataset. So the dataset is already given in the project folder which I have shown you earlier. So the same dataset, now we are going to upload it. So go to the project folder location, and where you can find the dataset folder, and just you can select this, and dataset.csv is now selected, and then click this upload. So once if the dataset is already available, we can clear this by clicking this clear option. So now you can see the data loaded successfully, and click OK. And now it will be navigated to the uploaded dataset, so where you can preview the dataset that we have uploaded. So you can scroll down and see. So here it is consists of 100, and you can just navigate with these pages one by one, and you can see the complete data set, which consists of around 1500 dataset records is being loaded into the web part of the project. So now the first process is the pre-processing, where in the pre-processing first will be making the data cleaning process. So first remove the symbols. So first click this remove symbols button. So now the data cleaning process is taking place. So after some time you can see the symbols removed successfully message, and click OK. It takes few seconds of it, and now you can see the step that is symbols are being removed. So the pre-processing, the first step we have made it, and next one is like remove the stop word. So stop word removal process is being now going to take place. So just click this remove stop words part. So now in the NetBeans IDE, in the output, you can see this process which is going in the console part. So in the front end part, the user doesn't know that one, so it is sure it will be loading process only. And if you wanted to see the each tweet text is making the stop word removal or pre-processing complete process, you can just go to the console and you can show this process, so they can know that every text is being processed now. And now you can see the stop word removed and pre-processing complete message, and click OK. And now you can see the cleaned dataset. So the base paper, as we have mentioned that here we have shown the before pre-processing and after pre-processing. So up to this step we have completed. Now you can see the cleaned dataset of it. And now the important part, that is the classification using the sentiment analysis. So just click this start analysis. So it takes some time because there are 1500 tweets, so each text will be processed and classification will be done, so it takes some time. And you can just go to the console and you can see for each and every tweet how the tweet is being classified as the classes of positive, very positive, and all kinds of things. And let me show you the final result after completion. It takes some time. And now you can see the process is completed, and as I said you, each and every tweets will be taken and it will be calculating and making the classification. It took around me 3 to 4 minutes for me, and you can see the sentiment type is being score of it for on how much very positive, unpositive, neutral, negative, and very negative. So we have been classifying into 2, 3, 4, 5 classes, and the label is being done. This is for only one tweet, that is the last tweet. So now go into the front end part and let us see. And here you can see the detection and analysis completed message, and click OK. And now we'll be seeing the racism detection analysis, the final result of our project. So here you can see the ID and what is the tweet text and how much the sentiment score we have calculated, and what is the sentiment type, that is negative or positive, and very positive how much, and positive how much, and neutral and negative very neutral, and the annotation, that is it is racism or not. So you can see the classified as racism or none. If it is not racism, and you can see it is been none, and you can see the label as racism means 1 and none means 0, and you can see this kinds of thing. So you can see all the tweets has been classified and it has been displayed, and you can navigate for each and every page and you can check it completely till the last tweet, that is 1500, and you can see all this thing is being classified and shown. So in this way the racism detection analysis is being made, and final comes the graph part. So here you can see the racism detection graph, and this is a static graph. This is not a dynamic graph because it is being processed according to the data set that we have given. So it consists of around total tweets around 1500 tweets, and in that tweets and 201 tweets or racism tweets, so that is being classified and it is being shown in this graph. And now let me log out, and this is all about the project racism detection by sentiment analysis. And thank you all for watching.